from a company UDYR is a all dress-up suit of Santa Claus. Ho, ho, ho. So we're going to show you what you get and how to dress up. Christmas parties, office parties, family gatherings, public gatherings. We have here, comes nicely wrapped, is a Santa suit. One size fits all for holidays, Halloween, Christmas, Easter, and more. You want to get dressed up as Santa? We're going to dress up and show you what this suit looks like. The package comes air sealed. You get a hat, a jacket, a beard, a belt, and trousers. These are the trousers. They're made of stretchable material. They can be slipped over your regular pair of pants. These are the boots. You slip over with your shoes off over the pants. You're able to put your shoes on second. And they have a little strap that goes over and holds down and covers your shoes. You have your top piece. It has a zipper that unzippers and bottom Velcro. That simply slides on and over. We have a belt which is going to demonstrate around the waist that it wraps around. It slides in like so. You have your fake mustache and beard. And you have your Santa's hat. Ho, ho, ho. So this is the Santa Claus suit. It has a slit in the mouth. You have the hat. You have the upper and the lower and the feet. Check out the company for your Santa Claus suit. It is a suit for all occasions. And I hope you. So when you're all done playing dress up and for the holidays, you can simply just fold up the suit. Place everything in its area of interest, like so. Elastic for nice large waist, one size fits all. Your Santa Claus suit. For all occasions, have fun with your product if this is right for you.